Hey guys, what is up? It is Will Van here. Today we're back at Crescent with an eastbound tanker or mixed freight. I'm not sure. I think it's a mixed freight. That's what it looks like. 200 at the head. Whoa, the wind. Whoa. Wind, stop it. Oh, it's 4003. It's 4003 and 1101. Report that later. But before, I want to show you some magic. Let's go. It's so windy. Yeah, Kristen, that you could do that with a sign. This train has a lot of weird colors on it. That's what I was talking about. It's so windy. I caught that on video. It is so windy. That's what I'm talking about. I literally had to chase after a sign. Guys, I literally had to chase after a sign. That's not something you see every day in this channel. Not something you see every day. It's just a random person chasing after a sign. While a train is going. Not something you see every day. John Deere tractor. Guys, there are a bunch of John Deere tractors. See, I told you this train was weird. There's like 11 or 12 cars full of flatbed cars full of John Deere tractors, guys. Look at this. And they're all John Deere too. There's a John Deere 9R, 7R, bunch of 7Rs, 8Rs, 8R, 4 7Rs, 8R, 8R. We got mid-power. And after 3 auto racks, we got more tractors. Right after the 3 auto racks, we got a bunch more tractors, guys. This train can't get any weirder, right? But yet, there's mid-power, guys. This train is so long. 86. And more tractors. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 tractors, guys. 29 tractors. I'm not even going to get to report it 4003 before this train ends. Guys, this is freaking insane. Guys, this is so insane. This train is so long, guys. Yeah, I vote. My vote. Have fun on the train. Guys, there's a tanker that said I'm Bones. I think I caught that on the camera, but a little tanker said I'm Bones. Yeah. This train can't get any nearer. I wonder if there's any power. Let's see. Guys, I also had to chase after a song. This video is just weird. It's a weird video. Guys, that's right. Union Pacific shining in the sun. Me with a Union Pacific auto rack. I saw a Union Pacific SC70 ACE earlier this morning, which was like a few videos ago. And if I can't get any way there, there's an power. Is it just me, guys, or is this train slowing down? This train's slowing down. It's not just me. I gotta stop doing that with the Union Pacific auto rack. Oh, it does be that fast. Union Pacific auto rack. Guys, look at this. It takes up the whole car. You can't even see the logo, guys. Oh no, it's a Union Pacific. Yeah, get wrecked, Union Pacific. Expand the camera to be that way to get the numbers of the locomotives. Yeah, you can still see the train. Don't worry. It's fine. I'm doing magic. That's right, right way. Guys, the song is gonna get cut. every day do a music video with the trains.